Commerce as war by other means. What if I told you that the real war isn't fought on the battlefield, but in boardrooms, courtrooms, and mailboxes? In this episode, we expose how commerce became the new form of warfare. Modern commerce mimics warfare through debt-based control. Legal fictions, adhesion contracts, and compelled performance all serve to capture the energy of the living soul. Awareness is the first step toward remedy. War isn't just fought with weapons anymore. In this episode, we expose how modern commerce has become the battlefield of the 21st century. Through debt-based control, legal fictions, and compelled performance, the living soul is silently conscripted into commercial servitude. Discover how adhesion contracts, statutes in commerce, and trust law mechanisms are weaponized against the unwitting population, binding them without full disclosure or lawful consent. Understanding this shifts you from debtor to creditor, from pawn to player. This is war by other means, and you've already been drafted. If you're ready to reclaim your power in this silent war, don't miss what's next: the maritime salvage doctrine and how your legal name is being treated like a lost ship. Let's recover what's rightfully yours.